Hello everyone, this is Teacher Kaye. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about 21 grandmother gift ideas. But before we dive in, let me know in the comment section why you so love your grandmother. Is it because she showers you with wisdom? Or is it because she tells you funny stories? Or is it because she teaches you their masterful recipes? Or, be honest, is it because she spoils you with treats and trinkets? Let us know in the comment section down below. Oh, by the way, all the items that will be mentioned in this video are linked in the description box down below for you to check out later. So let's start! Number 1 is Wooden Family Birthday Reminder Calendar. This will help your grandma keep track of everybody's birthday while representing it in just one place. This set includes 100 wooden chips so that you'll be able to include one individual birthday chip per family member. What I like about this one is that it's both gorgeous and functional. Number 2 is Cozy Slippers. This will help you provide soothing warmth and comfort for your grandma. And the best part? They're microwavable to keep her toes extra warm. Number 3 on my list would be Essential Oil Diffuser Charm Necklace. One of my favorites here. It's an aromatherapy jewelry made up of stainless steel, and it has 9 microwave washable and reusable aromatherapy diffuser refill pads. This gorgeous necklace is practical for emitting bursts of calming scents. Number 4 is Foot Massager. This is perfect for pain relief and self-care. It can massage feet, ankles, and calves, therefore it can increase blood flow circulation. Number 5 is Chunky Knit Blanket. This is an ultra soft blanket that will definitely give her maximum comfort. And this is something practical that's really worth the splurge. Number 6 is What I Love About Grandma Fill in the Blank Book. This is one of my favorite gift items, as maybe if you have been a subscriber for long, you have noticed that I would always include this book for every gift idea that I have. And of course, we will not miss this for our own grandmothers. So this book has fill-in-the-blank prompts that you need to fill in to make your gift for your grandma personalized. This is a sweet and sentimental gift that will cause a happy tear or two. Number 7 is Letter to My Grandchild book. This is one of 2015 Oprah's favorite things pick. And this thoughtful gift contains 12 unique letters, each with their own prompts. And this is designed to help grandparents pass over any cherished memories and advice to their grandchildren. Each letter is printed with a unique prompt, like here is a special story about our family, or what I want you to know about me, the best advice anyone ever gave me was, and my wishes for you are. This paper time capsule becomes a priceless heirloom for generations to keep. Number 8 is Silk Pillowcase. This is gentle on both the face and the hair, therefore it would reduce hair frizz and aging caused by harsh pillowcases. Number 9 is Handbag Illuminator. So basically, the light turns on automatically whenever your grandma opens up her handbag. Because this is sensor activated, therefore it can operate hands-free. Number 10 is Relaxing Spa Gift Box. This way you can treat your grandma to an at-home spa day. Number 11 is Assorted Tea Gift Set. Another Oprah-approved item. This brand, linked in the description box down below, delivers the world's freshest tea leaves to over 85 countries in the world, sourced directly from India's choicest garden. Number 12 is Floral Electric Kettle. In this way, your grandma can have the best of both worlds because this is a Victorian design mixed with modern technology. Number 13 would be Digital Picture Frame, so she can keep up with what you're doing even if she's far away. Number 14 is Convertible Poncho. This poncho, linked in the description box down below, is lightweight, simple, and versatile, perfect for daily, casual, or work styles. And it can be easily matched with other clothes. Number 15 is Silky PJ set. Well, no one wants to splurge on their own pajamas, right? So this is where you come in. Number 16 is lightweight crossbody bag. It's not just handy for traveling, but this is also an RFID blocking bag. Number 17 is Rediffuser. This diffuser will help your grandma keep her home smelling indulgent without having to worry about it if she kept the candle burning. Number 18 is bonsai tree, for the grandma who loves to garden. Number 19 is Heath Pillow. This is a natural heating or cooling pillow that helps with the neck, muscle, and joint pain. And this one is microwavable, freezable, and reusable. Plus, this one is filled with flax seeds and dried lavender. Just imagine the smell of that one. Number 20 is Lulu Readers. This one made it to Oprah's 2020 favorite things list. As what Lady O says, glasses are my #1 accessory. And here's a bonus for your gran. The lenses are actually scratch resistant. Number 21 is Grandma Blanket. This is the cozy fleece Sherpa-lined throw blanket, but this time it's wrapped with inspirational quotes highlighting your grandma's specialness. Alright, so which one is your favorite gift item for your grandma? Comment it down below. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again next week because we'll talk about gift items for your grandfather. Once again, this is Teacher Kaye. Have a great day. Bye!